Hello, my name is Gary with HaveFunWithScience.com, and today's demonstration is going to be the classic experiment using dry ice and liquid soap to make a big bubble. This experiment requires some patience because unless you're lucky, it's not going to work the first time you try it, or in my case, the first several times I attempted it. So the procedure is to take a soapy rag and wipe the edge of the rim of the bowl, being careful not to get the suds inside the bowl. Next, add some dry ice and get the fog going, and then take a narrow but soapy rag and carefully glide it across the rim of the bowl. If you're lucky, a soap film will cover the entire top of the bowl and contain the newly forming CO2 gas and water vapor, and get bigger and bigger until it eventually explodes. In an act of futility, I'm trying to save the current experiment by removing the fog-filled soap suds. But it didn't work. But anyway, what's going on here? The dry ice is really cold. It's minus 109.3 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 78.5 degrees Celsius. And when you take it out of the cooler and stick it into hot water, it starts melting fast. But melting is not quite the right word to use for it, because that implies that it would leave a puddle like a regular ice cube would. But what's actually happening is that the dry ice is sublimating, which means it's transforming from a solid into a gas without the extra step of having a puddle like a regular ice cube would have, which would, if left alone, eventually evaporate or transform into water vapor. The dry ice is going straight from a solid into a gas, and that's what the $50 word sublimate means.
Yes. Got it!
Yeah. Oh boy, now I've had success.